I was sent this pool float and I'm so excited to test it out. Filling it up, it has 3 different methods. So you can use a pump, you can use a hand pump, or a hair dryer on cool. I've never tried that method, so I'm gonna try the hair dryer on cool. So let's go pump it up and put it in the pool and test it out. Here it is out of the box. Loving the blue palm leaves, the color, has the netting in there. Okay, let's get it pumped up. Now you have your choice of canopy or no canopy, but let's go ahead and put this on. Okay, it's got a lot of spring to it. There's a mesh layer, there's a sun reflector, and then there's the blue side. I just clipped it to the sides, clipped it here in the back right there, and then there's 2 more clips on this side, and now you have the fully shaded float. Okay, I'm missing one thing. I need something for the cup holder. Got some nitro cold brew. Okay, now let's go. Also, fun fact, our pool is not heated, so it might be a little cold. All right, it's cold, but I'm going for it. Woo! Oh, it's kind of nice with the canopy.
And just if you're wondering, I'm 6'5", 190 pounds, and this fits me just as well. So nice and cozy here. It's really nice to be able to have this sun protection when you want it, but if you don't want it, then you just put it down.
Or you can take the canopy off completely if you choose.